Welcome back to today's video where we are going to mount the Dr. Jekill and Mr. Hyde valve exhaust on my new Indian Scout bobber. So as I just said, this is an exhaust system that has a built-in valve inside. And let me just show you before I show you the real exhaust right here. We have this model of and Jekill and Hyde exhaust where you can see how it actually works inside. And then it has this mechanical valve that is mounted through the exhaust, but on the back side of the exhaust into the motorcycle, so you can't see it. And that is actually how it works. It has 3 modes and closed mode, just as a stock would sound. Then it has a full open mode, that is beast mode. And then it has a half and half where you have this, what can I say, mellow tone instead. The nice thing about this exhaust system while living in Europe is that they are street legal, and that is also because they have the in-pipe catalyst. So even though you are mounting an exhaust that can fully open, it's not way too loud. It's still loud, but it's not holding your ears. I want to scream loud. So let me just unbox this so you can see how it looks, and then let's just get this bad boy on ASAP. And if you're wondering why I'm not at my usually spot, that is because if you want to have the real guarantee on this exhaust, you have to get it mounted by a certified dealer. So that is why I am here where I am today. So let's go. And I just want to say a huge thanks to Dr. Jekill and Mr. Hyde for sending me this exhaust for my new build. I also collaborate with them on my last build with the FTR 1200, and they have been so freaking nice just to send me a new exhaust for the new build. I appreciate it to the moon and back. Thank you guys. So what we have here is a lot of boxes, and that is because there are some cables and the physical button, but also the different electronics there is. So that is also why you shouldn't do this at home by yourself. It is nice to have certified mechanics doing this for you. A little manual, and then bam, bam, bam. Just trying to look at that. And if I remember correct, this is the, yes it was. This is the, I think it's called 3.5 inch in caps, big shot in caps. So as you can see, this is where the valve is getting powered from. And this is how the exhaust look. Damn. Ooh. So before I ruin anything, let's just put it back in the box, back to sleep, and then let's start with unmounting the stock exhaust. So, doesn't that just sound pretty awesome? Oh, I think so. So that is how the Dr. Jekill and Mr. Hyde exhaust works, and they create exhaust system for Indian motorcycle, Harley Davidson, KTM, BMW, Victory and Triumph as well, if I'm not mistaking anything. But the nice thing about this technology, or nice, it is a fairly new technology, so there isn't a lot of people that understand how it works, and that's including the police. So if you get stopped by the police and tell you stuff about that, that's not legal or anything like that. So this is the owner's manual. You can read everything about the exhaust, but on the back side, first of all, it has these approval stickers from the persons who has quality checked it before it left the assembly line. Approved by David, Joab and Bo. But this one, this is a little credit card. This is actually a EC certificate for your exhaust system, and it has the serial number on. It says that it is a Euro 4 approved, that is what my motorcycle is, and then they can scan this QR code to get the correct legal documents, so you will never stand on the side of the road and get a fine because people are unaware or not educated enough on this type of system, because this is new technology on street legal bikes. So this is gold. And it actually also says that what type of motorcycle it fits on, so they can see it's not something that you have borrowed anywhere else or something like that. So really hope that you enjoyed this video and now have some knowledge about this ultimate exhaust system for the Indian Scout. I don't believe that there is a better exhaust system on the market that fits, especially in Europe, where we have all these emission laws and laws against motorcycle sound. This is the go-to setup for sure. If you like overly loud exhaust, do that, but we can't do that in Europe. This is the way to go. And again, a huge thanks to Jekill and Hyde, especially Frank, for sending me this exhaust system for free. Thank you guys, I appreciate you a freaking lot. So that was it guys. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you aren't already, and if you're new here, welcome. Sit back tight because the Indian Scout build is coming. Today is the day where all the packages are coming. See ya.